Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. Before we do first derivative of this one, we have number 10 plus 5 because we have the same s to the power of 215. Now we can apply about the power rule of derivative. So we have y equal to s to the power of n. So if I do first derivative of this one, we have ns to the power of n minus 1. Now we can apply similar for this one and this one. So we have 215 s to the power of 215 minus 1. Similar for the second one. So this one we have 214. This one we have number 2. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.